Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we will explore the history and real-world usage of Python. We will cover how Python was created, the evolution from Python 2 to Python 3, major version milestones, and the incredible range of domains where Python is used today. This topic is important for interviews, GATE, and building a strong foundation. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s at CWI in the Netherlands. He wanted a successor to the ABC programming language that was easier to use and more powerful. The first public release, Python 0.9.0, came out in February 1991. It already had classes, exception handling, functions, and modules from day one. And here is a fun fact: Python is named after the BBC comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not after the snake. One of the most important transitions in Python history was the move from Python 2 to Python 3. Python 3 was released in 2008 and was intentionally not backward compatible. In Python 2, print was a statement you wrote print space hello. In Python 3, print is a function you write print parentheses hello. Division also changed, 5 divided by 2 gives 2 in Python 2 but 2.5 in Python 3. Python 2 reached its end of life on 1st January 2020, so all new projects must use Python 3. Let's walk through the major Python version milestones. Python 1.0 came in 1994 and added lambda, map, and filter. Python 2.0 in the year 2000 introduced list comprehensions and garbage collection. Python 3.0 in 2008 was the big breaking change with Unicode strings and print as a function. Python 3.6 in 2016 gave us the beloved f-strings for string formatting. Python 3.10 in 2021 introduced structural pattern matching with match and case. And Python 3.13 in 2024 brought experimental free threading support to remove the GIL. Python is one of the most popular languages for web development. Django is a full-stack framework used by Instagram and Pinterest. It comes with an ORM, admin panel, authentication, and much more out of the box. Flask is a lightweight micro-framework perfect for small apps and APIs. FastAPI is the modern choice. It supports async operations and generates API documentation automatically. In fact, our own selection with Sathi backend is built with FastAPI. Python absolutely dominates in data science and artificial intelligence. NumPy provides fast numerical arrays and linear algebra. Pandas gives you data frames for data manipulation and analysis. For deep learning, TensorFlow from Google and PyTorch from Meta are the two leading frameworks. Over 70% of machine learning engineers use Python as their primary language. The ecosystem of libraries makes Python the undisputed king of AI and data science.
Python is incredibly powerful for automation and scripting. Imagine you need to rename 100 CSV files in a folder. With just 3 lines of Python using OS and glob, you can find all CSV files and rename them in a loop. The entire operation finishes in under 1 second. System administrators and DevOps engineers use Python daily for tasks like this: file management, log parsing, report generation, and scheduled jobs. In machine learning, Python lets you build powerful models with surprisingly little code. Using Scikit-learn, you can load the iris dataset, create a random forest classifier, train it, and evaluate it all in about 5 lines. The result? 97% accuracy on the test set. This simplicity is why Python became the default language for machine learning and why companies like Google, Netflix, and Tesla rely on it for their AI systems. Python is also the go-to language for DevOps and cloud infrastructure. AWS provides Boto 3, a Python SDK for managing all AWS services, from S3 buckets to EC2 instances to Lambda functions. Google Cloud and Azure have similar Python SDKs, tools like Ansible for configuration management, and Docker's Python SDK for container management all use Python. If you work in cloud or DevOps, knowing Python is practically mandatory. The job market for Python developers is extremely strong. In India, a fresher Python developer can expect 6 to 12 lakhs per annum, while experienced developers earn 15 to 30 lakhs or more. Globally, the average is about $120,000 in the USA. Python has been the #1 language on the TIOB index and the most wanted language on Stack Overflow surveys since 2019. With the AI and machine learning boom, Python job postings have grown over 40% year-over-year.
Here are the key takeaways to remember. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and named after Monty Python, a common interview question. Always use Python 3. Python 2 has been end of life since January 2020. Python's real strength is its ecosystem. Libraries like NumPy, Django, and TensorFlow make it unbeatable. For gate and interviews, know the version milestones: 3.6 for fstrings, 3.10 for match case. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.